Hello everyone, let's continue chapter 6, that is combustion and flame. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is types of combustion. The combustible substances burn in different ways. Depending on the way a substance burns, combustion can be divided into three types, that is rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion or explosion. So let us know the first type of combustion, that is spontaneous combustion. Sometimes a substance suddenly catches fire or bursts into flame without any external source of ignition, or we can say it burns on its own without any external heat. Such a combustion is called spontaneous combustion. For example, white phosphorus get ignited on its own spontaneously during summer when the temperature rises to about 35 degrees Celsius. That's why white phosphorus is stored under water. Next example of spontaneous combustion is forest fire. During extreme heat of summer, dry grasses in some places attain their ignition temperature and catch fire. From the dry grass, the fire spread to the whole forest, which is very difficult to control, and it results in loss of life and material. Another example of spontaneous combustion is fire in coal mines. So, in coal mines, fire breaks out many a times because of combustion of coal dust. And these type of example are from many disastrous fires in the world. Now next type of combustion is rapid combustion. The combustion in which large amount of heat and light is produced in a short time. Such type of combustion is called rapid combustion. Rapid means quick. For example, when a burning matchstick is brought near a gas burner and the gas knob is switched on, the gas immediately starts burning with the production of heat and light. Similarly, a candle starts burning when a burning matchstick is brought near its wick. Third type of combustion is called explosion. All of us have burst firecrackers during festivals, and we have noticed that they explode, that is, they burst as soon as they come in contact with any burning source. So, in this process, some chemical reactions takes place in the crackers rapidly, and large amount of gas is produced. Also, there is a production of heat, light and sound. So the process of combustion, when large amount of gases is evolved with the production of tremendous amount of heat, light and sound, then that type of combustion is called explosion.